Shame, shame, shame. Hit it. That's the way. I like it. Peace, punch, Captain Crunch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm thinking about doing something super like bold, hella dramatic, and I only have 30 minutes to do it because I have singing lessons at noon, and right now it's 11:33, so I only have 27 minutes. So let's get started. So I don't know what type of bold look. I do know what type of bold look I want, but no, let's just have fun. I want to use only the Karity palette for this look. I think I'm gonna start off with this color right here, and it's called Courtesan? I don't know. I'm using the Fenty Beauty eyelid primer that came out with her Moroccan palette, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. And I'm trying to tell you guys, Karity is slept on so much. Their eyeshadows are so good. They're so pigmented, and Karity is very, very affordable, you guys. The link to Karity will be down below. They have like contour palettes, they have eyeshadow palettes, they have brushes, they have so many things. And I don't think like a lot of people talk about them, and they're super affordable. I think you can compare them to Morphe, to be honest. To add to my transition shade, I'm gonna go to this color right here, and this is my favorite color in this palette. This is called Burlesque. It's Burlesque. Hey, whoa, look at this. This one is nice, so hey. Makeup is so much fun. I'm not even doing anything for real today, apart from having my singing lessons. Your girl can sing, but I can get better. All right, now I'm gonna go into this color right here. This is a beautiful purple. It's called PDA, and I'm gonna add that as well. Okay, I have 21 minutes. Why did I start this? This wasn't even a challenge. This was not a challenge whatsoever, but it became a challenge because I take forever to get ready, and my singing lessons are with somebody who is super important and well known, so I didn't want to look rink-a-dink. Okay, I'm gonna use this LA Pro Girl concealer to help my cut crease because I can't find anything else, and I'm rushing. Jesus Christ, why is my brain not working? Calm down, Robin. I'm gonna attempt this cut crease. Oh wait, I wanted to add a dark blue before I did my cut crease. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna go into this color right here called Karma, and I'm gonna add that as well. That'll be a very nice transition to a cool color. Actually, I don't even know if I'm gonna do a cool color anymore. I'm still gonna try. And I'm gonna add a black as well, just to make it deeper. That's good enough for a cut crease, right? I don't have time. My eye won't stay still, low-key. That's a cut crease. But what color am I gonna put? I didn't think this through. I can't put a purple because that just would be dumb. No, I can't. I have 15 minutes to complete this look with concealer and bronze my face. There's this color Eclipse, but it's not like right here. I wish I had like a white. I'm having such a hard time functioning as a human being that already doesn't function properly. I feel like it's not white enough. I wanted something super white. Got my white. I just need to blend this a little bit better. That's gonna have to do because I have to hurry up and go. Now I'm gonna put mascara, lashes. Girl, I got 9 minutes. Now for concealer, I'm gonna use the KKW concealer in 12. 12 is too light for me, but I spent $26 on this shit. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. So I just put a little bit on, and I have to contour hard so it blends better. Blend, we gotta blend fast. I have 6 minutes, and I have to contour this deep and a lot because my concealer is way too bright, and sometimes it gives me like an ashy look. I know how to do makeup. It's just sometimes I begin the wrong color, and your girl ain't rich as hell. Buy something and not use it unless it's like really bad. I could work with this. That's getting better. It's coming along. I'm gonna put some highlight on, and I love the Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. I'm looking for my highlighting brush. And of course, it's probably right in front of my face. This is like hella bold, and I really ain't going nowhere, but bold look in 30 minutes. Okay, all right, we're almost done, we're almost done. Get your shit together, Robin. And I'm just gonna go in. She's calling. Time's up. Okay guys, so I ran out of time because my vocal coach called, so my face creased a lot because I could not like be like, oh hold on, I'm doing a makeup tutorial. But I told her about you guys, and I told her how awesome the Taylor tribe was. Okay, I'm gonna look crazy for a while, but I really had chiseled my face. I don't think you guys know how much of an impact you guys are in my life. Like, I was so mad because I knew like my makeup wasn't finished. I kept looking at my makeup like, you crusty bitch. I am such a crusty bitch. I crease a lot around my mouth because I talk too much and I smile too much. U-G-L-Y, you ain't got no alibi, you ugly. You ugly. I think this is it for the look. Obviously, I didn't follow through with the 30 minutes. It was probably like 37 minutes, but you guys, like, I tried, okay? I tried to do a cut crease. I tried to do like a bold look in however 30 minutes and it just didn't work out. But I love you guys so, so much. Subscribe if you want to join the Taylor Tribe family. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.